masala chutney for me, and he already makes everything. So this time we don't have koshka because it's for snacks. This is for your lunch. You didn't eat.
Yeah, both.
Both. Yummy. Good.
Good. One yes.
Kahit tayo nag-lunch ako pero gusto ko itong kainin. Ang dami. So mix lang natin siya. Hindi pa ako nag-start. Ayan siya, malapit mahubos. Halfway. Pero hindi ako naglagay ng chili kasi malha. Almost ko ito kahit nag-lunch ako. For me, it's enough. Ito.
Top yes.
Sweet.
But for you it's okay.
Yes? Kaya nagkuki yan, kaya busog yan.